Hello guys, welcome back to my English comprehension listening exercises. This listening exercise is about being industrious. Being an industrious person means that you are making things happen, you are creative, you are doing something to make your life better and the others around you. But first, like my page, and also hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it's always greatly appreciated. See you at the end of the lesson. Be industrious. Barry is a middle-aged man who is going through a very difficult time in his life. His wife recently passed away. She and Barry had many happy years together, sharing their free time and even starting a business together. Without his wife, Barry is full of sorrow. Sorrow means he feels sad. He's not happy, he's sad because he lost his wife. And he feels that life is pointless. He even decides to close their business because working there makes him miss her so much. Even months later, Barry sits around in his house all day feeling gloomy. His friends and family try to get him out of the house and encourage him to start doing things and enjoying his life, but they are not successful. Barry's neighbor, a very old woman named Gertrude, sees him from her yard one day as he steps out on his porch. She has not seen him outside in many days. She asks him to come closer. Come closer, Barry. Irritated, Barry walks to the fence that protects the front of her house. Hello, Barry. Just look at this fence, Barry. I only had to put in 2 years ago. I only had this fence put up in my yard 2 years ago. But it's falling apart because of the weather. You are a strong man and you have some free time. I want you to fix this fence for me, Gertrude says. Barry is angry. She knows the situation Barry is in. He is one who needs the help and support. He thinks the old lady is being very selfish because he just lost his wife. Still, he knows she is too old to fix the fence herself, and they have been neighbors for many years. She's a nice woman, and he respects her. He agrees to fix her fence because it's really not safe for her to have it broken like that. Barry works on the fence for days. Gertrude brings him lemonade while he works. Barry smiles for the first time in many months. Now that you did such a wonderful job fixing my fence, Gertrude says, do you think you could paint my fence for me? Gertrude smiles at Barry. Barry cannot believe she is asking for more help. Doesn't she know how sad he is? But because he respects her so much, Barry agrees to paint Gertrude's fence. He works hard painting the fence in the hot sun, but Gertrude's lemonade and encouragement are wonderful. He feels proud of the beautiful fence he is making. Over the next few weeks, Gertrude keeps giving Barry jobs. He repairs her door. He even builds a beautiful patio with a wooden furniture for her. As they sit there and drink lemonade, all the neighbors pass by, all the neighbors walk by and tell Barry what a beautiful job he has done. He and Gertrude cannot stop smiling. Well, guess what? Barry no longer feels that life is pointless. He doesn't feel sad anymore. He feels proud of his work and the usefulness to Gertrude. And he's still young. He thinks, Barry decides he will become a carpenter. He thanks Gertrude. He finally realizes that she was never being rude after all. She was really being very wise. She knew that sorrow can be erased simply by getting busy at something. He helped her, but she truly saved him. Well, that's the English listening exercise comprehension lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this listening exercise, guys, please hit that like button for me. Also share my videos to your friends and family or those who may be interested in comprehending English. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me, guys. If you have not already subscribed, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time.